This summer, my students are doing two things. The first one is that they're building a self-driving electric motorcycle, and the second thing they're doing is building and refining a simulation of that motorcycle. And the idea is to validate the simulation, make sure it's predicting behavior of real motorcycles properly, so we can use that simulation package for safety research.
How I got into this was I took robotic systems fall of last year with my Professor Brown, and he offered this opportunity at the end of the semester. So I came to him at the beginning of the spring semester and said that I was interested in doing it because it seemed like I had a lot of opportunities to do things that we had learned in class, like different skills and concepts to do with autonomous systems and robotics. And I sort of jumped into it from the beginning and started working on some of the design, which led into the summer.
We're all different class years. They have a lot more knowledge than me on something, so it's nice to get their guidance on different topics, and talking about our experiences within engineering has been really helpful.
They collaborate very, very well. They're a great team, and I see that Bryson and Sam are starting to share a lot of their knowledge about the curriculum at Lafayette with Paris as they use their knowledge from classes to help them with this project.
It's been great working with Professor Brown. He's been a great mentor and advisor, both for working in class with him and now with this research. He allows us to have like our own projects while still giving us input and advice, so we can sort of do our own thing and have our own exploration and make each little part of the project our own, while still like giving us that guidance we need sometimes, because we don't know everything. We're still students.
A lot of the work that I'm doing is graduate level. I decided to take the initiative because research was something that I was so passionate about, and I really wanted to open my mind to other disciplines other than aerospace, and I didn't want to confine myself to a bubble. So I think that this research has been really rewarding in numerous ways.
This is actually going to be a basis for a couple of our theses. So ideally, this will keep going for a little while, and we'll be able to find individual projects and work into different things, such as like lane following and driving over a tougher terrain.
I've been riding motorcycles for almost 20 years, and they're the primary reason I actually chose to study engineering in college. When I was in college and then in graduate school, my area of research was more in cars and trucks. But I always wanted to bring it back to motorcycles, and I've gotten a chance to do that recently, so it's been fun.
Any motorcycle rider can benefit from this research. I think that our research is really designed to improve motorcycle safety systems, and software and simulations weren't really looked at to be reliable or trustworthy, and we really want to change that and show that they can be seen as trustworthy. That's essentially the entire point of our research.